Hey Paul, it's Stephen. Thank you for the call today and for allowing me to shoot this video. So in this video I'm just going to go over a couple of things you can do today to help bring more customers to your business. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you heard and you think it would be beneficial to your business, please drop me a message back and we can chat. So the first thing I want to go over is something called content. So content is basically everything you see on your front page, and this includes pictures and what these pictures are saved as. So these are the things the search engine can read and basically get an idea of what services you offer and the areas they're targeting, and this will position you in the search rankings. Having unique, influential content and enough of it to add in the keywords or key phrases that people are going to be searching Google for to find someone who offers your services will assist your search ranking. So just if we have a quick look at the content on your front page, it's pretty good. You have a couple of photos, couple of keywords. I know you guys do loads of services, it's obviously not just landscaping, but no, I'm pretty happy. It's a pretty good website, I have to say. If we just move on then to the next thing I want to talk about, called citations. Now I just picked Landscaping Cork, it kind of be the same process for all the services that you provide. But with any Google search as well, the first thing you're going to see a lot of the time are Google ads. But Google ads can be really hit or miss, because a lot of people have had bad ad experience in the past, so they ignore the ads. But even a lot of people don't trust ads in general. Also, some people actually use ad blockers, so they wouldn't even see your ad when searching for the service you provide. Now, citations has a lot more to do with this map section down here. And what citations are a business's name, address and phone number listed in all sorts of directories across the web. And what directories are places like Facebook, LinkedIn, Golden Pages, any of those places online that allow business owners to add their business details and services within them. In order to rank high in those map sections, you need to make sure you're looking at your competition's directory listings and seeing what they're currently being listed in. And you would want to get yourself listed in here as well. But you also don't want to just stop what your competition has. You want to get what they have and add a little bit more so you can be completely dominating them in that space. Now the last thing I want to go over is something called backlinks. Now backlinks has a lot more to do with this organic section down here. You'll see loads of businesses popping up. You'll even see the directory here, Golden Pages. What backlinks are is basically when there's a website out there that has a link to your website and that link could potentially bring a lot of traffic from the other website. It's important to note though, backlinks are not always created equal. So for example, if you did work for a coffee shop and they send you a link but their website is all about coffee, that wouldn't be as beneficial to you as if you did work for, just say, another landscaping company. Now just moving on to a tool we use called Ahrefs. Now just before I begin as well, I want to mention it's not 100% accurate, but it's one of these companies that buys data from Google, and this helps me get a better insight into what's working well for yourselves and what's working well for even your competition, So if I just put in your website link, I see you have 7 referring domains with 25 backlinks, and you're getting searched for 72 keywords, and you're generating 7 new clients, which is obviously not 100% accurate, I'm sure you're bringing in a bit more than that, but it's a pretty good website, I have to say. Like, obviously, having a look at it there, it's pretty good. Probably some of the things I would say is a bit more content, a bit more writing, the more content you kind of have, the more Google will be searching for, and if you're giving him loads of stuff to search for, he's going to put you near the top of a Google search, some keywords in there as well. And we have tools that kind of are able to pick out all this stuff, that's able to show us the keywords that Google is looking for this service or any of the services you provide. And then we'll be able to kind of plaster it all over your front page. And then, over time then, a couple of months maybe down the line, you start going up and then the calls will increase, That's kind of the goal. Just if we see what you're kind of being searched for. So you see drainage for garden, your 12th, quarry stone, your 15th, driveway stone, your 15th, and it's okay, unfortunately though, a lot of the time for any service, could be even restaurants and stuff, people aren't going down through Google pages, to find something. Like, they're not going to look at page 8 for like a landscape or something like that, or a garden drainage or anything like that, so the kind of goal is to get you up to the top, the first page, of Google, and then kind of climb your way up to the top, guys, And we just take one of them top landscapers as well, just for an example, Sublime Landscapes. These guys have 39 referring domains with 138 backlinks, and they're getting searched for 192 keywords, and they're bringing in over 500 clients, which kind of shows the power of having all the stuff I kind of just spoke about, you know. Like your website is very, very good, you know. I'm not gonna lie here, you know. But we look at these guys, like these guys probably have a little bit more, maybe like some backlinks, some citations, a couple more keywords in there that is driving their traffic, you know. And that's essentially why they're at the top of the map section. And even on the first underneath the map section, the organic section, these guys are also there, you know. So then, you know, they can't be missed. Like if you were just in the map section and people don't like using that part, and you're not in the organic part, like you're going to be missed, you know. But they're in both. And if we just have a look at what they're being searched for, Garden Designer Cork, they're first. Cork Landscaping, they're first. Cork Landscape, they're second. Landscapers Cork, they're second. You know, they're the top three, kind of 3 or 4 really for a lot of keywords. Like these are all the keywords, you know. And that'll be what we do for you, you know. So all the services you do, we'll get you to the top of the Google search for every single one. That'd be the goal, you know. So regardless of what service people are searching for, you're going to come up on the top ones, which then will drive your traffic up and ultimately give you more clients, you know. But that's kind of it really for me. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out. Thanks so much, Paul.